Okay, so let's talk about normal form. And on the exercises, the normal form of a pitch class set is its most compact representation. Okay, so I want to work through a couple of things from this to show you how to find the normal form. Let's start with this one right here, these pitches. Okay, so we've got E flat, G flat, B flat, and D natural. E flat, G flat, B flat, and D natural. Okay, so we want to find the most compact representation for this set. Okay, so that's one. The first step is to put it ascending order within the octave. All right, so this is ascending order within an octave. Now we have to consider every possible ordering. So we have the one starting on E flat, we have the one starting on G flat, B flat, D natural, and E flat. And now we need to start on B flat, B flat, D, E flat, G flat, and then we have to start on D, E flat, G flat, and B flat. So these are the four orderings of this set. All right, so we want to find the most compact version. So we look at the size of the set. E flat to D natural is a major 7. G flat to E flat is a major 6th. B flat to G flat is a minor 6. And D to B flat is a minor 6. So these two are out. These two are in the running. When we have a tie, we want to find the one that's the most packed to the left. So first we had looked here, and these were the same. Now we're going to go from the first note to the second note from the end and see which one is smaller. D to G flat is a diminished 4th. B flat to E flat is a perfect 4th. So this one is more packed to the left, so this is the winner. So the normal form for this set of pitches is D, E flat, G flat, B flat. That's the most compact one overall and the most packed to the left. All right, so essentially we consider all the possible orderings. We find the smallest one, the one that's the smallest package, and if there's a tie, we work our way from the end and we come up with whichever is the most left packed. Okay, here's kind of a strange one. What if we have this? F, A, C sharp. Okay, so I'm going to look at this. A, C sharp, F, and C sharp, F, A. Okay, let's count these in half steps. All right, so this is 4 half steps, and this is 4 half steps. So overall, that's 8 half steps. This is 8 half steps, and this is 8 half steps. So these are all ties. All right, so let's look at A to C sharp. That's 4 half steps. C sharp to F is also 4 half steps. And you might recognize that this is an F augmented triad, which is the same as an A augmented triad. which is the same as a C sharp or D flat augmented triad. So these are all a tie. When we have this where there's not a single set that is the smallest or the most left packed, we arbitrarily choose the one with the lowest starting number, the one that's closest to C as its starting point. If this was a number, F would be a 5, A would be a 9, C sharp would be a 1. So we would choose this one as our normal form. The normal form for this set would be C sharp, F, A. All right, so let's try one of these with numbers. Okay, 11, 5, 7, 2. It's easier with numbers because we can just subtract to get the interval size. 11, 5, 7, 2. First of all, I want to put them in ascending order. So I have 2, 5, 7, 11. Okay, the next one is 5, 7, 11, 2. And then 7, 11, 2, 5. And 11, 2, 5, 7. Okay, so overall, that's 9 half steps. 5 to 2 is 9 half steps. 7 to 5 is 10 half steps. And 11 to 7 is 8 half steps. Therefore, this one is the smallest package, and our normal form is 11, 2, 5, 7. Okay. Maybe I'll do one more. Let's do this one right here. E flat, C, B, B flat, E, G. Okay, so I'm just going to write it as pitches first, ascending order within the octave. So C, E flat, E natural, G, B flat, and B. Okay, I'm going to do this as numbers because I think it's easier. So this is 0, 3, 4, 7, 10, 11. So now we just need to consider all of the possible orderings of this. So we have 3, 4, 7, 10, 11, 0. We have 4, 7, 10, 11, 0, 3. We have 7, 10, 11, 0, 3, 4. We have 10, 11, 0, 3, 4, 7, and 11, 0, 3, 4, 7, 10. I ran out of space, but you see how you write the first one, and then you start here, and you bring this number to the end. You start here, you bring that number to the end. All right, so now we need to look at the boundary intervals. So we can see that that is 11. This one is 9, so we know that 11 is out. 4 to 3, that's 11, so that one is out. 7 to 4, that's 9, so that one is still in the running. 10 to 7 is 9, that's still in the running. 11 to 10 is 11, so that one is out. So we have 3 possibilities. At this point, we have a 3-way tie between 3, 4, 7, 10, 11, 0, 7, 10, 11, 0, 3, 4, then 10, 11, 0, 3, 4, 7. Okay, so now we have a three-way tie. So we did from first to last. Now we're gonna do first to second to last. Okay, so 3 to 11 is 8. 7 to 3 is 8. That's a tie. And here, 10 to 4 is 6. So we have a winner. This is it right here. 10, 11, 0, 3, 4, 7. So the answer for this one is 10, 11, 0, 3, 4, 7. That is normal form. All right. So when we're dealing with pitch class sets, there can be a set that's a melody in a piece or a harmony, something that's used throughout the piece. If we want to be able to compare the use of those sets of pieces, sets of pitches, we have to put them in a standard form, the normal form, so we can compare them to other versions of the same set that might be ordered differently. Okay. So why don't you try a few of the items from that homework sheet we've got here in part 1. Normal form as pitches and as numbers here and here. Okay. And the next video I'm going to talk about transposition. So that's coming shortly.